you a journal that I've made, and this journal is it's a little bit bigger than a traveller's notebook size. It's the same height as a traveller's notebook, which is 8 1/4, but this way it is 4 3/4, so just a little bit wider. There is one signature, 88 pages front and back. This will be listed in my shop if you're interested, and all the links will be below. I've used various bits in this. I'm sorry about my throat. I've got a really bad sore throat and sore ears. Don't know if I've had something or this is the end of it or the beginning of it, but I kind of felt like crap for the last 2 days. So managed to get this done anyway, because I just couldn't lay about anymore feeling sorry for myself. There's this designer cardstock, which is just a kind of plain, I would say it's like a light peachy colour. And it's sewn onto some white cardstock, so it's nice and thick. I've done some layering here. There is this image, some bling, a butterfly. This word here is a freebie from Artie Mays. Kind of used my scraps here with the layering underneath. Some stitching here. Eyelets and organza ribbon as a closure. Let's go inside. I'll try and mention everything as I'm going through and like where it's from. So these main pages are from Artie Mays, and it's one of her collage collections. And I think it's the number 2, because as some of you know, I've had to re-download all my digital kits because I lost everything last week. So everything's completely different on my computer. I had things in a way that I knew exactly where to go to find them, and now it's all saved to my OneDrive. It's just all completely different, and I feel a little bit lost with it all. So yeah, that's another story. So we've got a pocket here. I've got some stamping there, and made a pocket here. There's a little cluster embellishment there. We have a large tag which has been coffee dyed and stenciled and inked up around the edges with some eyelash trim. We have some Tsunami Rose digital ephemera, a handmade tag. We have some more digital ephemera from Tsunami Rose. We have a little tag here from Artie Mays, and then we have the little Tiffany & Co tag. We have a doily, some edge punching. This is just a window envelope, and I've done it so that you can pop stuff in this way, and I've just stenciled and inked it up. This paper is from the old design shop, and I've put a tab on there which is a Stampin' Up tab, and I know you can't get it anymore, or you can if you're lucky, if somebody's selling it and you want to pay like $18–19 for it. So there is that on there. There's a book page here with these lovely floral designs. Here is a napkin, and I've actually decoupaged onto some cardstock, and it's done some double stitching around it and then just stenciled it up. And there's an envelope somewhere else in here to match that. We have some squared paper, there's journaling paper, some more paper from Artie Mays, and excuse my dirty fingers. They have been washed, but the ink's just stayed on there. It's good stuff. Made a pocket here, done some layering, put a heart. And this was just something I typed up ages ago, and it's in my big box of scraps, and it says My Life. We have a large tag, some more digital ephemera from Tsunami Rose, another tag that I've made. This is from Tsunami Rose as well, I believe. That was again in my big box of stash. I've got so much stuff. Another piece of ephemera from Tsunami Rose, and that's my computer telling me that there's no threats on my computer. Just doing a silent check there. A doily, some edge punching, paper bag which has been coffee dyed, some more papers from the old design shop, and then here is, this is from Tsunami Rose, and this is like an old letter from the old design shop, and I just used the ruler to do the raggedy edges, and there it kind of went a bit mishap, but I think it actually makes it look even older because I kind of messed it up. More writing space. Love this page from that collection from Artie Mays. Here I've just done a double tuck there, use some scrap pieces there, so that's open completely, and then you can tuck behind there as well, so you can tuck in there and then tuck here. This is just a kind of tri-fold coffee dyed paper with some edge punching, and I'm going to have to take a sip of water. Sorry about that. Throat's getting really dry and sore. Here we have a tag, and that goes in there. This is an envelope that I got from an Etsy seller, and I couldn't tell you who it is, but because I've had to re-download everything, I'm finding stuff that I haven't used before, or have used but forgot about. Another tag, a doily, just push that in a little bit, some edge punching, another envelope, the other side's a window, some more from the old design shop. Here we just have another old letter, raggedy edge, and a tag from Artie Mays, some sewing on there, another page from a flower book, and a tab, and I love this page, it's so pretty. Some lined paper, centre of the signature, and I've done some edge punching on both sides. The other side of that floral paper from the book, another tag from Artie Mays, and another letter. It looks really old. Oops. The window envelope, so if you tuck something in there, it will peek through there. Another little tuck here with another tri-fold piece there. Another one of these envelopes. They're so pretty, aren't they? A tag that I made. Some more, probably a bit too much in there. Another page from Artie Mays, and some ephemera there from Tsunami Rose. This is a French letter from the old design shop, and a tab there, and then this just paper clips on just above it, and I've paper clipped that. There we go. So we have the other side of the paper bag, some edge punching, a doily, another pocket that I made. I just put some, these are background papers from one of the collage kits from Artie Mays, some music paper, this little ornate shape, and a little flower there, large tag, some ephemera from Tsunami Rose, and a tag, a postcard, some ephemera, and a little Tiffany & Co tag. Another page from Artie Mays, isn't that pretty? This is the decoupage envelope. So I just kind of decoupaged the front of it with this, and I just used Mod Podge. And on the back, because it was a sticky envelope, it didn't lose its stickiness when I coffee dyed it, so I've just put some fabric tape on there, and then just done some stenciling and some inking up, so yeah, I can tuck things inside there. And then it's just attached with a paper clip to this book page with the florals on it. And we have another tab, another window envelope, some edge punching, a doily, and another pocket here. Quite a lot in the pockets, and another cluster embellishment there. A little, well, not a little tag, a large tag, some ephemera, and a Tiffany & Co stamped tag, and that's some ephemera from Tsunami Rose, tag from Artie Mays, and a Tiffany & Co tag, and it all just pops in there, and that is the last page. So there's a lot going on in this, and lots of things you can take out and move around or make more pockets with. Like I said, this will be for sale, and all the other links will be below, and if you have any questions, just ask, and thanks for watching. Bye.